Meet Matt Stevens. This guy drills holes in trees all over Australia to create new homes for wildlife. In recent years, many animals in Australia's ecosystem have become vulnerable to phenomena like logging and bushfires. So Stevens, a conservation biologist, invented a tool called the Hollowhog. The Hollowhog can artificially make a hollow in a tree that would take anywhere from 70 to 120 years to form naturally.
This is the Hollowhog. This is what I invented. And so effectively what it is, it's a high-speed spinning cutting head with tungsten carbide tips that spins at about 11,000 RPM, a long spindle or shaft, and then with the ability to suck all of the wood chip out, and it gets exhaust. The exhaust comes out here. The fact that we can rapidly install one of these hollows within less than an hour is, a real game changer.
According to the Wilderness Society, 31% of native mammals and 15% of native birds in Australia rely on these hollows for shelter and a place to nest. The hollows created by Stevens' machine, according to him, can last 200 to 300 years, and they supposedly grow with time.
So, like a nest box, for example, if you buy a nest box and it's this big, that's all you get. It never gets any bigger. It stays at that size forever, as long as it lasts. And in general, nest boxes here in Australia will last from 7 to 10 years only, and that's it. Beyond that, they'll be on the forest floor, and then they're no use to fauna. Whereas a hollow, the way it will operate is that we'll carve the hollow, and we may carve a chamber the same size as a nest box, but over the years, that hollow will further develop. And so it will grow larger and larger. And as long as the living tissue of that tree can continue to wrap more layers around the outside and outpace the rate of that hollow's development, that a tree will remain stable.
Multiple organizations have now adopted the Hollowhog as a way to create habitats, and so far the Hollowhog has been used to create thousands of new animal homes across Australia. Stevens' hope is that this tool will help slow the current pace of extinction for hollow-dependent wildlife. After setting up a camera, Stevens has seen a wide variety of species enjoying the hollows, such as marsupials, parrots, and lizards.
I can see the hollows going in and know that long after I'm gone, maybe 300 years into the future, that the hollow that we carved, for example, the hollow we carved today, will still be operating. It'll still be there potentially as a home for wildlife. And just thinking about that, I just think it's a really exciting thing.